Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to summon in mobs with custom drops in Minecraft Java Edition. So for example, we have this zombie over here, and if we decide to kill it, you'll see that instead of its normal rotten flesh, or maybe a carrot, it will actually drop 5 blocks of diamond. And so if you like Minecraft videos like this one, then please make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tutorials just like this one in the future. So in this video we'll be exploring the command which allows you to summon in mobs that have a custom drop. For example, what you just saw with the zombie dropping 5 blocks of diamond. And so we'll go through this command step by step, so you can follow along and create your own custom mobs with custom drops. So let's go through the command. We'll do this using the summon command. Of course, you can also put this in a command block, but for now I'll show you how to do this from the chat. So /summon, and let's do a cow. You can take any mob, of course, you want, and we'll summon it at our current coordinates. So now the important part is where we add the NBT data. This will determine what the mob will drop in the end. And the very first thing we're going to be doing is actually removing the default drop of this mob, so it actually only drops the things we want it to drop. So to remove its current drops, what we need to add is death loot table with capital D L N T colon quotation marks, and in here type Minecraft colon empty. If we add a finishing curly bracket here, you will see it turns green. So this is the very first part. This would summon in a cow that does not drop anything. So now let's start to actually add the thing that it drops. And the way we do that is by actually setting the equipment of the mob. So equipment colon curly brackets. Inside of this feed colon curly brackets. And inside here we add the ID of the item we want to add colon quotation marks Minecraft colon stick. So now this cow would drop a singular stick. If we now add a comma and then count, we can add how many of these sticks the cow should drop. So let's say 2. And we can also add components to this as well. So components like this, colon curly brackets. Again, it turns green. Every time it turns green, you know you actually are on the right path. So here we'll add a name for this stick. So quotation marks Minecraft colon item underscore name. And then again, colon quotation marks. And in here we'll add the name of this stick or these sticks, and we'll call it the knockback stick like this. You can of course also then customize what this name looks like, the color and so on. But let's of course also then add the enchantment. So then more quotation marks Minecraft colon enchantments colon curly brackets. In here we'll add then the enchantment we want to give to the stick, which of course would be knockback. And let's do level 10. There we go. I removed the quotation mark, it turned green, so that's a good thing. Now, that is not everything. We still need to make sure that these sticks will actually drop. And to do that, we will add another comma here. And then do drop underscore chances, colon quotation marks. And in here, we'll put feed 1.000. There we go. So this is the entire command. I will also leave this command in the description down below, along with the command I used to summon in that zombie at the start of the video, so you can work from here. But let's now just press enter, and it starts raining. But more importantly, we also summoned in a cow, which is right over here. So how this actually works is that we add those items to one of the armor slots of the mob. So every mob has armor slots, even though for most mobs you can't even see the armor. So if we just add an item there, for example, we add a stick here to my head. For other mobs you won't see this, but it will still drop these items if you set the drop chance to 1, which would be 100%. And since we disable the default drops by modifying the death loot table, the items they're wearing in their armor slots are the only items they will actually drop when killed. So let's see if our command actually worked by killing the cow. There we go. And indeed we see that 2 sticks were dropped. Let's pick them up and look at them. Indeed, they're called knockback stick and they have knockback 10. Exactly the components we added to these sticks. So now if we summon another one of those cows and hit it, you can see that we have our beautiful knockback 10 and knockback sticks. And there goes the cow. What did it drop? Well, wouldn't you know it, it dropped 2 more of those knockback sticks. And so there we go, that's how to summon in mobs with custom drops. If you have any more questions about this video, then please leave them in the comments down below. But anyway, there we go, hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please subscribe!